So it's been really good to be here at Bupa this morning, interacting with the dogs and actually seeing how the dogs interact with the residents and other visitors.
The girls have enjoyed it, the hounds. They've enjoyed it. They've got lots of pats and lots of snacks, so that was good for them. We've had a lot of people interested, a lot of people new to interacting with greyhounds, so that's always good.
We're really excited to be a part of this incredible initiative where we get to raise awareness for a wonderful charity, but also our residents get to experience firsthand the benefits of animal companionship.